In this video right now, I will be showing you some ways to earn money without needing some investment. You don't need to be an expert to do this. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to have a large social media followers. I will show you some tools that you don't even know. As usual, I will be teaching you step-by-step method so that you can enjoy the profits that you get from this method. If you watch this video until the end, you are going to learn all of my ways and secrets, easily copy them, and so you can also earn a lot of money just by following this method. The best thing about this is that this is 100% free and is available worldwide. This is Money Door, and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any concern, questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. This is the website that we are going to use today to earn money. There are millions and millions of people around the world earning some money using this website. Later, I will be showing you more websites that we can utilize doing this method. This main website is called freeplrdownloads.com. This is a website that gives you free ebooks that you can download for 100% free. These ebooks are copyright free, so you have the license and power to use these ebooks. You can see here on the side that there are many categories that you could choose from. The one category that we are going to focus on today is an online business, the online space, internet marketing. So all of those affiliate marketing, social media businesses, types of books, those are going to help us today. You can select on this website right here, or you can just go onto the search bar and search on make money online, and the website will automatically filter all the ebooks that are related to making money online. You can select the ebook that you want to use. For example, this one right here. Once you click on the ebook, you can see here the description so that it will give you a summary of its content. The next thing that we are going to do is scroll down below and click on the download button right here. Then the ebook will be downloaded directly to your computer. The next thing we are going to do is go to digistore24.com. Before we continue on the video, please leave a comment down below what country you are in right now. I want to know so we can start a conversation. And if you are interested, if you want to know more about Digistore24, let me know in the comment section. I will talk about it in my next video. So let's get back to the website. And again, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification and the thumbs up. Now let's get back on track. Now this website is an affiliate network website that is similar to ClickBank, where you can find different products that you can promote and earn a very nice commission each time you make a sale. Grab an affiliate link to that product, then refer the products to different people, and then those people will go to the selling page and they will do the selling for you. Basically, all you need to do is drive traffic to the product and earn some big commission out of it. So next, just click on the sign up button right here to make a free worldwide account. Then input the information needed. Once you log into your account, click on the marketplace section right here and select all offers on the affiliate marketplace option. Then you are going to land on this page. You can select here different categories of products that you want to promote, but we are going to focus on e-business. Just as I said earlier, click on this right here and take a look at these different products that you can promote. There are many new products that are coming in because this is a growing website. If you are promoting this product right here, you can see here the potential earning that you can get on this product. You can just click on this promote button right here. Also, it will show you your affiliate link that you can share with different people. Just copy that link and go to the website bit.ly.com. This website is a link shortener, so that the link will be shortened. Next, let's go on to this website called Smallpdf.com and click on the choose file button right here. Then choose the file that you downloaded earlier and wait for just a few seconds. Once the file is downloaded, you can now edit the PDF file somewhere right here on the introduction part. I want you to put in this shortened URL from the GG Store 24 website. You can do something like this. This is so powerful when you combine it with the last website that I will be showing you before we continue on the video. Please leave a comment down below what country you are in right now. I really want to know so we can start a conversation, and also I can make a video based on your region. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. When people read this ebook, they will see here your suggestion on how to make money online, and when they click on the link, you are going to have a higher chance to earn a lot of money online. The last website that we are going to utilize today is called Freebooks.net. This is a website where you can find thousands of free ebooks to read whenever and wherever you like. You are not here to read and download some free ebooks, though you are here to publish your ebooks. That has a shortened link. You can click on the publish section right here, and you can see here that there are many people from different parts of the world that have visited this website. You can make a free account on this website by clicking on the sign up button right here. You can also use your Facebook account to log into this website. Now once you log into your account right here, you can input the title of your ebooks, then input the author name, which you can find on the actual ebook. Input your shortened description right here. You can just copy the shortened description that you found earlier on the ebook. You can then download the ebook's cover over here, which you can find in the folder that you downloaded earlier. Along with the ebooks, with the ebook, you can also input the category and the keywords for these ebooks. Now you can download the ebook by clicking on this option right here. Once you are done, you can hit this upload button here, and it will automatically upload to this website. Now millions and millions of people around the world will read your ebooks, and when they see your affiliate link, they are going to click it, and they will land on the product that you are promoting. Just remember not to put too many affiliate links. That's not good, because you could get banned. You can just put like 2 to 3 links per ebooks. That's how you are going to get paid on this website. And that's it for today's video. Thanks you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is Morning Door, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscriber button, and turn on the notification so you will not miss any of my next video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.